Here's a quick video on how to do an exfoliating service. And this would be what's called an express service, something that's gonna take about 5 minutes. And I know a lot of barbers like to gatekeep on what type of products they're using, but it's not that serious to me. This is just simply a mixture of rose water and peppermint castile soap. The combination of steam and this soap will make it very easy to unclog any of those pores that may have buildup. And as you can see, I'm using circular motions and I'm really massaging the soap into the skin, making sure I get into all those crevices as well. Just be careful not to get it into the eye. I've already gently cleansed the skin, but now here comes the exfoliating part. I'm using the sponge and I'm not applying too much pressure because I don't want to over exfoliate and irritate the skin. I'm just using light circular motions. And as you can see, I'm really scrubbing more under the neck because he's very prone to breakouts and ingrown hairs under his neck area. After the exfoliating process, I take a hot steam towel, and I've already pre-tested this to make sure that it wasn't too hot. And you want to cover every area except the nose so they can breathe. Keep as much of that steam trapped into the towel as possible because you want all of that steam to be absorbed by the face. And see how I'm pressing down? That's just going to add to the experience. Pressing down really helps the steam get absorbed by the skin. And you let that sit for 1 to 2 minutes. After the first towel, wipe away any of the residue. Now that the skin has been stripped and cleansed, you need to put moisture back into the skin. So next I'm going to use some aloe vera gel and I'm going to massage that into the skin. Here I'm applying more rose water. Just in case you didn't know, rose water is a natural toner, so it helps to promote an even skin tone. And I'm going to massage that into the skin as well. Now I'm going to apply one more hot towel. And remember, let this sit for 1 to 2 minutes. And press down to make sure that the steam is absorbed by the skin. Also, if you're new to this channel and you're getting value out of this video, please consider subscribing to the channel. It really helps the channel grow. Also, like and comment below. And finally, I'm using an aloe vera toilette just to put more moisture back into the skin. Sorry for my camera being out of focus, but if you like this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.